Inflammation is making your menopause symptoms worse. The hot flashes, the joint pain, the brain fog, all of it. But today I'm going to show you 5 delicious meals that fight inflammation and actually help you feel better. So let's cook. Welcome back to Creatively Miss Me, Healthy Tips and More. I'm Stephanie and I'm glad you're here. Now, when estrogen drops during menopause, inflammation increases. That's just biology. But what you eat can either fuel the fire or put it out. These 5 meals actually packed with omega-3s and antioxidants and anti-inflammatory ingredients. They're easy, delicious, and actually work. Now I'm getting into salmon. Now this recipe is salmon with roasted vegetables. Now why does it work? Salmon has omega-3 that fights hot flashes and joint pains. Now a quick recipe is 2 salmon fillets with broccoli, bell pepper, cherry tomatoes. You toss the vegetables in olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. Place on a sheet pan with the salmon. Drizzle salmon with lemon and add paprika. Now you roast this for about 400 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes depending on your take. Now buy frozen salmon. It works great and is cheaper. Now the second recipe is a turmeric chicken bowl. Now why does this work? Turmeric contains cumin. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory. Now a quick recipe is to marinate your chicken in the turmeric and cumin, ginger, and garlic. Now you cook it in a skillet for 6 to 8 minutes. Serve over quinoa with spinach, cabbage, carrots, and avocados. Now you drizzle this with lemon dressing. It's a Thai lemon dressing. Okay, now add black pepper. It helps your body absorb the turmeric. Didn't know that, did you? Now the third meal is a lentil vegetable soup. Now, why it works, the fiber in the plant protein and the antioxidants reduce bloating. Now, a quick recipe is to saute the onions, carrots, and celery in olive oil. Add garlic, cumin, and paprika. Then add the lentils and diced tomatoes and a broth. Now you let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. Stir in kale for the last 5 minutes. Now, make a double batch and freeze half of it. Good to eat later. Meal number 4 is a walnut crusted chicken. Now why does this work? Walnuts equal plant-based omega-3s for brain health. Now quick recipe. You mix chopped walnuts with whole wheat breadcrumbs. Now you brush the chicken with Dijon mustard. Press the walnut mix onto the chicken and you bake it at 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes. You serve it with roasted Brussels sprouts and sweet potatoes. Meal number 5 is a berry smoothie bowl. Now why this works? You have berries that equal antioxidants and flax seeds, which is omega-3s. Now the quick recipe. You blend 2 cups of frozen berries, 1 banana, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Pour into a bowl and top it with fresh berries, walnuts, and coconut flakes if you like coconuts, because I'm not a coconut girl. Now you use frozen fruits. It makes it thick like ice cream. Now things to avoid. Foods that increase inflammation, refined sugars like desserts, sweeteners, sweetened drinks. You know those fruit drinks that's supposed to be fruit. Processed foods like packaged snacks. Refined carbs like white bread and white pasta. Excessive alcohol, and I don't drink, so that doesn't go for me. Trans fat like fried foods and margarine. Now, pick one of the meals to make this week. Download the free recipe card in the description box. Tell me in the comments which one you're going to try. And subscribe for more menopause-friendly cooking on Wednesdays. Now, food is a powerful medicine. These meals aren't punishment. They're delicious. And they make you feel better. So start with one of these meals this week and see how you feel. You deserve to feel good in your body. So I want to thank you for taking the time out today to listen to me. And you can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. The links are down below. I would love to connect with you there. And I'll see you here next week on Creatively Miss Me. Bye-bye.